I have the OnePlus 7 Pro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to root both the OnePlus 7 as well as the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, rooting this smartphone, or again the OnePlus 7, both is the same process, and rooting these devices is going to happen in phases. Meaning, first we need to unlock the bootloader. And if you go back through my videos or my articles on Android Explain, you will see in the OnePlus 7 playlist or category how to unlock the bootloader to these smartphones. So first you're going to need to unlock the bootloader. Then you're going to need to install TWRP as your custom recovery. Again, this is something I have already covered, so go back, watch those videos, read those tutorials. If you look in the video description for this video, for those of you who are watching this on YouTube, I'm going to be linking to the full tutorial for how to root the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. And that is going to include links to all of this stuff for how to unlock the bootloader, how to install TWRP. It's going to include links to how to do everything. So once you have unlocked the bootloader, and then once you have installed TWRP, you are ready to root this smartphone. And you're going to do that by going to the Magisk GitHub page and downloading the Magisk zip file to your OnePlus 7 or OnePlus 7 Pro. And I'm going to have the download link, as usual, in the full tutorial. So once you have downloaded that file, we are going to boot the OnePlus 7 or OnePlus 7 Pro into recovery mode, which, just like before, as long as you have followed these steps, that means you have TWRP installed, and that means your recovery mode is going to be TWRP. So we are essentially rebooting our smartphone into TWRP. And it's going to take us to this main menu. Now, if you haven't already, we're going to need to have that Magisk zip file on this smartphone. So if you downloaded it from the smartphone, great. If you downloaded it on your computer, you can connect a cable to your smartphone and move or copy it over to the device. Once you have that Magisk zip file on the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro, it's time to root it. And we're going to root this device by tapping on the install button. And then you're going to need to browse to wherever you stored that Magisk zip file. So whenever you tap on install, your screen might look like this. So you would want to browse to wherever you downloaded or put that file. Since I downloaded it from Chrome, it's going to go right into my download folder. Even if I copied it over a USB cable, I just put everything in the download folder to keep things organized. But it's entirely up to you where you have this file. So once you're ready, we're just going to tap on the Magisk zip file right here. And then we're going to swipe the white arrows to the right to begin the Magisk installer. Now this process is only going to take a few seconds, assuming that you do not run into any errors. As you can see, we get 2 done messages, no red errors, nothing bad happened. That means the install of Magisk is complete, and we have successfully rooted our OnePlus 7 and our OnePlus 7 Pro. So if you wanted to do anything like create a backup, you can tap the home button and go and do that. However, I'm just going to be tapping the reboot system button, and that's going to boot us from TWRP, from our recovery mode, and it's going to reboot us back into Android. So we are now back into Android. And if you would, look into the app drawer. A few seconds after you boot into Android, you should see the Magisk Manager application in your app drawer. You can drag that to the home screen if you want, or you can just open it up from there. And that's going to do two checks when you open up this application. First, it's going to check if Magisk and Magisk Manager are installed. Naturally, Magisk Manager is installed because we opened it up. But it's also going to check if Magisk and Magisk Manager are up to date. So we can see what the latest version is, and we can see what our installed version is for both of these. So there you have it. We have successfully rooted our device. We could even go in to the Google Play Store and look for a root checker. And there we go. There was our super user request. I granted that access. So you can see this is how we gain root access to the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro.